Let's try to take a look at the magical but logical function of the thesis and main point generator, or in short, the TMG. Using the TMG, you can easily identify a topic of your interest and a topic that is quite relevant to your career. Then you are guided or directed by the TMG to identify the main ideas or the research questions that you want to address within your topic. Lastly, you are guided by the thesis and main point generator, or the TMG, to write a summary sentence of all the main points or research questions that you have identified. In that summary sentence must not be more than 25 words. When using the TMG, you can either identify your main points in topical form or in the form of research questions. Since we use research questions as example, we will have to identify the main points in topical format. So based on the research questions, we have Alzheimer's disease as the first main point to correspond to question number 1, effects on patients to correspond to question number 2, treatments for number 3, and scientific breakthroughs for number 4. The last step in the TMG now is to make a summary sentence of all the main points consisting of not more than 25 words. This summary sentence of all the main points will consist the thesis statement. It is a requirement from the university that we create our thesis statement in not more than 25 words. So that's the challenge that we have to do. We will cover all the main points within a viewpoint, within a summary sentence that also expresses our viewpoint about the topic. So let's recap the 4 main points and let's try to see how we can transform these 4 main points into a summary statement of not more than 25 words. So the first main point is Alzheimer's disease, followed by effects on patients, treatments, and scientific breakthroughs. Let's try to put all these main points together into a less than 25 word sentence. Let's do it. Alzheimer's disease have damaging effects on patients. However, there are treatments and scientific breakthroughs to defeat the disease. Take note of the underlined words. These are the 4 main points within our viewpoint or thesis statement. Magical, right? So it's very easy. It's very easy to make a summary sentence of all the main points into your personal viewpoint about the topic and into your own thesis statement. Your viewpoint is your thesis statement, and your thesis statement summarizes all the main points that you want to cover in your essay or research paper. The next magical thing that we will talk about is how easy it could be to create your outline from out of your work from the TMG.